everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to restore your headlights. As you can see, it has quite a bit of sun damage, and instead of buying brand new ones, which we don't need, we're just going to restore them. So for one, they can look better, and for two, the light will be so much brighter at nighttime once more. So to begin with, you do want to have it taped off with some painter's tape, just so you can make sure you don't damage any of your clear coat. Also, I'll be using sandpaper, which you can find at your local hardware store, starting with 400 and then 800 and then 1,000. So as the number goes up higher, the sandpaper texture is a lot smoother. And along with that, I'll be using this block so I can evenly apply pressure throughout as I'm standing in between. Also, having a bucket of water on the side so that it doesn't clump up. And I also have this clear coat, which I'll include in the description below, as we do with all the other videos, with the materials that we use. That way it's easier for you to get access to. And red will be the one helping us with spraying at the end the clear coat over the headlights, just to make it last a lot longer. So once more, thanks for staying tuned.